respected members of the management team. My name is Idawati Ibrahim, and today I am presenting as the process safety engineer responsible for the new design of our proposed palm oil mill boiler and steam generation system. The purpose of this presentation is to recommend an important design improvement based on the principle of inherent safety. My objective is to demonstrate why investing in process safety during the design stage is essential for protecting our employees, safeguarding company assets, ensuring business continuity, and reducing long-term operating costs. The facility under review is a palm oil mill where the boiler and steam generation system supplies high-pressure steam for sterilization and other production processes. Since this system operates under high pressure and temperature, it is one of the most critical process units in the entire mill. After completing the process hazard assessment, I identified boiler explosion as the most significant process safety hazard. A boiler explosion can occur if pressure exceeds the design limit due to equipment failure, blocked steam outlet, malfunctioning pressure control system, low water level, or failure of the pressure relief valve. The consequences are extremely serious. An explosion could result in multiple fatalities, severe injuries, destruction of expensive equipment, extended production shutdown, environmental damage and liabilities, and significant financial losses. More important, such an incident could severely damage the company reputation and affect the confidence of employees, regulators, customers, and shareholders. Because of these consequences, it is far more effective to prevent the hazard during the design stage than to rely on emergency response after an accident occurs. To address this hazard, I recommend applying the inherent safety principle of moderation. Moderation means designing the process to operate under the condition that reduce the severity of hazard wherever practical. For our boiler system, this means designing the boiler with an appropriate operating margin below its maximum allowable working pressure instead of operating close to the design limit. In addition, I recommend installing redundant transmitter, automatic boiler controls, a properly sized pressure relief valve, and an independent safety instrumented system that continuously monitor boiler pressure and water level. If unsafe operating conditions are detected, the system will automatically isolate the fuel supply and safely shut down the boiler before pressure reaches dangerous level. This approach does not simply respond to an accident, it helps to prevent the accident from occurring in the first place. That is the main philosophy of inherent safety. From a business perspective, investing in safer design provides significant long-term benefit. First, it protects our employees by reducing the likelihood of catastrophic boiler explosion. Second, it protects valuable company assets by preventing extensive equipment damage and reducing repair costs. Third, it improves operational reliability. A safer and more reliable boiler system means fewer unplanned shutdowns and higher higher production efficiency and lower maintenance costs throughout the plant's operating life. So, incorporating process safety during the design stage is considered less expensive than the modifying the plant after construction or recovering from a major accident. Finally, the investment demonstrates our commitment to regulatory compliance, environmental protection, and responsible corporate governance. Ultimately, process safety should not be reviewed as an additional cost. Instead, it should be recognized as a strategic investment that protects people, strengthens business performance, and supports sustainable operation. In conclusion, I strongly recommend that management approve the proposed inherently safer design for the boiler and steam generation system. By integrating process safety during the design stage, we can significantly reduce the risk of boiler explosion, improve operational reliability, lower long-term costs, and protect our employees, our assets, and the environment. A safer design today will prevent costly accidents tomorrow. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. I welcome any question from the management team.